Are you experiencing nerve pain? Whether it's from sciatica, median nerve tension, carpal tunnel syndrome, thoracic outlet syndrome, chronic pain in the hands, or conditions like chemotherapy-induced or diabetic neuropathy, relief is possible. Sure, there are treatments available, but have you ever considered supplementing your treatment with some nerve-friendly foods? Nerve pain can be a symptom of all sorts of things, and inflammation only makes it worse. That's where your diet comes in. Keeping a healthy weight, staying active, and eating right can dial down that inflammation and ease pain, not just in your nerves, but all over. Next time you're at the store, toss those nerve-friendly foods into your cart. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share with your loved ones. Let's dig into this and figure it out together. 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds play a crucial role in maintaining optimal nerve and muscle function. Magnesium acts as a cofactor in numerous enzymatic reactions involved in nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction. Without significant magnesium, nerves can become hyperexcitable, leading to issues like muscle spasms. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of copper and iron, two minerals vital for brain health. Copper plays a key role in neurotransmitter synthesis, facilitating communication between nerve cells, while iron, on the other hand, is essential for oxygen transport and energy production in the brain. Without enough iron, cognitive function can suffer, leading to issues like fatigue and poor concentration. 9. Ginger. Ginger is armed with an arsenal of anti-inflammatory properties for nerve pain. These properties not only soothe inflammation, but also shield your nervous system from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Gingerol is a natural compound found in ginger that works wonders in calming inflammation and easing pain. Salicylates are found in ginger and are converted into salicylic acid in the body. Salicylic acid acts as a potent inhibitor, preventing nerves from producing prostaglandins, those chemicals responsible for pain and discomfort. Studies suggest that ginger may have a profound impact on neurological conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by memory loss and cognitive decline, while Parkinson's disease affects movement and motor function. Multiple sclerosis involves damage to the protective covering of nerves in the brain and spinal cord. By modulating signaling molecules related to cell death or survival, ginger shows promise in potentially mitigating the progression of these debilitating diseases. For those dealing with cramps and nerve irritation, ginger oil is often a go-to remedy. Its soothing properties provide quick relief and promote healing. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that are great for your nerves. One of their standout features is their high vitamin B6 content. Vitamin B6 is an essential vitamin for your nervous system because it helps produce neurotransmitters, those little messengers that carry signals between nerve cells. Without enough vitamin B6, your nerves can't function properly, so it's crucial to get an adequate amount. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber and complex carbs, which help keep your blood sugar levels stable over time. This is super important because big fluctuations in blood sugar can damage your nerves in the long run. 7. Lean dairy products. Low-fat dairy products contain nutrients that your nerves need to stay healthy and strong. The first is calcium. Calcium is essential for nerve function and overall nervous system health, and low-fat dairy products contain a good quantity. Plus, dairy products are also rich in phosphorus, which teams up with calcium to keep your neurons firing on all cylinders. Together, They help build and maintain sturdy nerve cell membranes, keeping your nerves in tip-top shape. Dairy products also supply vitamin B12, another key player in nerve function and repair. B12 is crucial for forming myelin, the protective coating that wraps around the nerve fibers. Without enough B12, your nerves can suffer damage, and their ability to transmit signals can be compromised. So what should you load up on? Milk, cheese, and yogurt are all great choices. Just keep an eye out for dairy products that are high in saturated fats, as these can lead to inflammation and worsen discomfort and neuropathy. 6. Legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are an absolute powerhouse when it comes to repairing and supporting your nerves and overall nervous system function. First, they're rich in folate. Folate, specifically, is crucial for DNA and RNA synthesis, which are processes necessary for the growth and maintenance of nerve cells. They're also an excellent source of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for tissue repair and regeneration, especially for nerve issues. When your nerves are damaged, they need protein to help rebuild and repair themselves. Legumes provide a lean source of protein, along with amino acids, the building blocks of protein, that specifically support nerve repair. And here's another great thing about legumes. They're packed with complex carbohydrates. These carbs provide steady energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as fluctuations in blood sugar can contribute to nerve complications. So, by including legumes in your diet, you're not only nourishing your nerves, but also helping to keep your blood sugar levels in check. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are like brain food. They're packed with phytochemicals, natural compounds that do wonders for your brain health. Loaded with polyunsaturated fatty acids and polyphenolic compounds, they fight off oxidative stress and inflammation in your brain cells, keeping them healthy and happy. Plus, they improve the way your nerve cells communicate with each other and boost the growth of new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. Moreover, walnuts are a great source of vitamin B, which supports healthy nervous system function. Peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage, can sometimes be caused by a deficiency in vitamin B. And let's not forget about polyunsaturated fatty acids present in walnuts, like linolenic acid, La, and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These fatty acids have been shown to have neuroprotective properties, helping to support your brain health. In humans, ALA from walnuts gets converted into other essential fatty acids like EPA, icosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, in the liver. These fatty acids are crucial for brain health, reducing oxidative stress, maintaining synaptic plasticity, and even influencing gene expression. So next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, reach for a handful of walnuts. Your brain will thank you. 4. Leafy greens. Did you ever think those green veggies were just for rabbits? Think again. Turns out they could be the secret sauce for repairing your nerves. Green leafy vegetables are loaded with folate, a B vitamin that's essential for nerve health. Folate plays a crucial role in DNA and RNA synthesis, which are necessary processes for nerve maintenance and repair. Green leafy veggies are also rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can worsen nerve injuries and pain, so reducing inflammation is key to promoting nerve healing and relieving nerve-related disorders. These antioxidants and phytonutrients found in green vegetables help calm down inflammation in the nervous system, providing relief and support for your nerves. Next time you're planning your meals, be sure to load up on green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. 3. Fish. if you're dealing with nerve problems, you might want to consider adding some salmon and other fatty fish to your diet. Why? Because these delicious swimmers contain omega-3 fatty acids, like docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, which are superfoods for your nerves. DHA plays a crucial role in nerve cell membranes, the protective coatings that help nerve signals zip along smoothly. Think of it like oiling gears of a machine. DHA keeps those nerve cell membranes nice and flexible, ensuring optimal transmission of electrical signals along nerve fibers. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish, also have impressive anti-inflammatory powers. Inflammation can wreak havoc on your nerves, so by reducing inflammation, these fatty acids help protect and support nerve function, keeping you feeling your best. 2. Coconut. Did you know that coconut might be more than a tasty tropical treat? Recent animal studies suggest that coconut extracts could have some pretty impressive benefits when it comes to reducing nerve pain and inflammation. A study even showed that extracts from coconut husk fiber could help reduce swelling in rat paws. But that's not all. Coconut water, for example, contains magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in managing nerve function. And finally, number 1, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits have high vitamin C content. This powerful antioxidant is like a shield for your nerve cells, helping protect them from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Not only does vitamin C protect nerve cells, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the strength and integrity of nerve cell membranes. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen formation, a structural protein found in connective tissues, including nerve cell membranes. Collagen gives nerve cells the strength and elasticity they need to withstand daily wear and tear, as well as to regenerate and repair themselves when damaged. Adding these foods to your next meal can give your body the boost it needs for nerve healing and overall nervous system function. But while good nutrition is super important, it might not always be the magic fix for serious nerve issues or conditions, so see your doctor. So, if you found this video helpful and picked up a thing or two, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to share the knowledge with your crew. They might thank you for it later. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for some awesome health tips.